So I'm doing something kind of interesting. My boyfriend and I are going up to Southern Oregon to spend a week at his ranch, and I have no idea what I'm packing. Am I leaving for the airport in 2 hours? Yes. Have I packed anything? Absolutely not. So this is the perfect time to film a YouTube video, right? I have nothing to wear. Nothing is working for me. Let's go over the weather first of all. Well, where I live right now, it's 80 degrees. So this is gonna be a very stark contrast, but we will be there Tuesday through Friday. And so it looks like it's gonna be rainy, and by my standards, being a through and through California girl, this is freezing weather. So we have some work to do. Not only will this be an outfit challenge for the weather, but I'm also only bringing a backpack to pack my stuff in. We do need to be realistic about shoes. So that is where we are going to start with building all of these outfits. I know I will be needing some boots. I just don't know which ones yet, but these are going to be our two options that we are starting with. Because we are staying at his ranch, I kind of want to be on theme because it's a ranch, so I'm thinking Western vibes, which is why I really love these shoes as an option. These are from Sam Edelman, but I got them secondhand on eBay, and they are so beyond comfortable. And they have really good traction on the bottom. So I know that these will be just a good quality shoe option. But then my other boot option are actual rain boots. These are Hunter rain boots. I also got these secondhand as well. We need to make 7 outfits, and how many of them are night outfits? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I need 3 nicer going out outfits and 4 daytime outfits. So we are gonna build a little capsule wardrobe. We pulled out a couple shoe options. The next bulkiest thing that I will be packing will be a coat. For rain, this is probably gonna be my most practical option. This is my favorite raincoat that I own. It's pretty heavy duty, it's decently warm too, so I feel like this is a good option. I also really like this bomber jacket, and I feel like this would be fine in the rain because it's this faux leather. So another option. Okay, actually, I think I'm gonna leave these as our 2 options because we don't need to go further. I'll just make things more difficult for myself. I'm going to start with Tuesday's outfit. These are some of my all-time favorite pants. I got them from Abercrombie. For me, oh, hey dog. How's it going? Come here. Okay, she's just gonna be there. For me, a good wide leg pair of pants kind of feels like sweatpants. They're just really comfortable and also roomy. So I'm gonna bring a pair of tights. So if I need to layer this to make it warmer, it will be easy because they're so wide and flowy. And I actually really do like this top with these pants. Not that this top is warm at all, but I don't know. We're gonna roll with it for a second. I think Tuesday said it was gonna be 60 something degrees, so that's not painfully cold. I feel like this is pretty cute. For my bag, I would most likely be wearing this crossbody. I wear this every day of my life. I feel like I need to do something with a belt. I do have this gorgeous belt. I thrifted this at Goodwill ages and ages ago, but it has that Western vibe, which I'm trying to lean into. Is this Western at all? Absolutely not. Am I doing a good job at following my own theme? No. Oh my God, it's so hot. Okay, I feel like, I don't know. I'm gonna put on one of the riding boots just to see how that looks with this. The reason I really want to try to find a day outfit with these pants is because I feel like these pants would transition into a good night outfit. All I would have to do is, I don't know, put on a more fancy top, I guess. I'm liking this outfit more than with the gray coat. Well, if I'm being honest, hold on. I feel like I have too many thoughts right now. These pants might be put on hold for a second because I also have this top, which I think is so cute, and it, in my opinion, I think would fit the Western vibe really well if I had a pair of jeans on. Oh my God, I don't have time to be so indecisive. I've made a choice. The Hunter boots, this isn't their moment. We want to be Western theme. I have to go with the riding boots. I feel like this is pretty cute. I kind of want to tuck this in though. And with our belt, okay, we are back on theme. Or actually, this is our first time to the theme. We've arrived. And I also really like how this bomber looks layered on top. I love brown and black. Ugh, I think it's such a delicious color combination. This will be our Tuesday outfit. I think also by me deciding on this jacket for our first outfit, that is going to mean we say goodbye to this gorgeous raincoat. Tuesday night, we are going out to dinner with family, and I have this skirt that I bought recently that I just think is so beautiful. I don't really know what to wear with her. When I bought this skirt, I also bought the matching top, and I know that this is aggressively fancy, especially for where we're going to be, but why do I want to pack it? I don't really have time to be playing dress up the way that I'm playing dress up right now. I think I'm going to maybe pack this because this top would look really cute with the jeans. This was my other idea. I don't know what is wrong with me thinking that I'm gonna survive with just like tank tops and t-shirts, but apparently that's what I think will be fine. I think we'll just kind of go through with styling it just because we'll also be putting the bomber jacket over top of this, and that's a pretty, in my opinion, casual kind of jacket. It'll help dress it down. Oh, I love it. This is so cute. I think that this is a good fancy Western outfit. All right, I think I'm sold. I think this is what we are gonna do for our Tuesday night outfit. Oh my God, I've only packed for one day so far. I don't have a lot of time. Okay, let's keep going. Coming to my senses a little bit more about packing and actually what the weather is going to be like, I don't think I'm going to pack this top. Like, what am I thinking bringing all these tank tops? What's my problem? Okay, Wednesday, weather looks decently fine. Cloudy, 63, not terribly cold. I don't want to be just a one-hit wonder constantly styling these blue jeans with black tops because we already have the black button down from the previous day. So what do I want to wear? I don't know. I have nothing to wear. Maybe this? So something that I am thinking about, the jacket is what makes the outfit, and I feel like I've recently gotten cool jackets that I want to wear. For example, this blue suede one from Abercrombie. Like, how beautiful is this thing? I feel like I have boring tops, and the jackets will really make everything just more exciting. Maybe I'll be daring and try to pack 2 jackets because I would love to wear this one. I just don't want to wear it with these pants. I feel like this is cute with the skirt though. Oh, too many things in my brain. These are the exact same pants as those black ones, but they're brown. I'm trying to think like, would I like this outfit better if I had brown pants on? Maybe I kind of want to try them on. Is that awful? I don't know, because will I actually like it? It's hard to say, because then I also have a super comfy like knit skirt, which is a really similar color, and that would be pretty too. Okay, I'm just gonna try the knit skirt on. I feel like this is fine. Am I overthinking it? I think I'm overthinking it. Maybe I want a different belt. This is why like it's impossible for me to pack. I just have so many things. I have nothing to wear. I feel like a white one would be cuter. I kind of think this is a vibe. I think. I'm trying to think of what would make it better, and I genuinely don't know. I like it from the belt up. I don't know, is it the jeans? Is it my hair? It's definitely the heat. So many things are happening inside my brain right now. I'm gonna try the knit skirt. That's like what I pulled out. I don't know how like actually comfortable I'm gonna be in this. Nothing is working for me right now. I feel really chaotic. I'm pretty sure this is exactly where we started. And I think that I need to stop. And we're gonna call this Wednesday outfit. It's cute, it's fine, we're gonna go with it. Oh, I wanna try the brown pants though. I'm psychotic, I know. I'm gonna try the brown pants. Did I say I was gonna try the brown pants? Absolutely, but I got distracted. I really like this variation too with the skirt. So that's good, because this could be another night outfit, whether it is Wednesday or Thursday, or I could even wear this Wednesday. I feel like this would be a cute Wednesday outfit also. Realistically, I'm probably not gonna wear this top a second day in a row, but I can picture myself wearing this top again. And I just got this belt on Amazon. I've been seeing these everywhere online and they're so cute. They're definitely in the Western vibe. I do not like it with this bomber jacket. So back to the blue again. I don't think it works. Maybe these aren't the pants of the trip either. Dang, literally, what am I gonna wear? I just feel like I'm missing dresses from my packing. I love wearing dresses and I need more of it. This would purely be a dinner dress. It's just a sparkly crochet dress. And then I have on these nude boots, which I think will match perfectly with everything else too. So I'll have another shoe option. This is officially the last outfit I'm bringing. I know that this slit is very dramatic. I am planning on bringing tights. I just did not want to put them on. I have on a very warm, it's like double lined brown long sleeve shirt, which will go with all the other things that I'm bringing too. Of course, the bomber jacket, the only jacket I'm going to bring. And I have on the black belt, and then I have on the nude shoes. I might wear the riding boots instead. I don't know. I feel like a lot of the times when I'm packing, I'll like bring a bunch of stuff and it just kind of inevitably all goes together. And then I just mix and match like crazy. And none of the outfits I originally came up with are outfits that I wear. I like create new ones. So we'll see what I end up creating on this trip. We have actually one final outfit after this one, my airport outfit. We are just going with sweats. I will be wearing the riding boots because these are the largest shoe item. Now, time to see if I can fit all of this in a backpack along with all the other stuff I'm bringing, like my makeup, my hair stuff. So let's just get packing.